In this video, I am going to introduce you to this Point Odyssey. Point Odyssey is a new project which introduced a new large-scale synthetic dataset. And in this research, the researchers are calling it Odyssey, which is designed for training and testing long-term fine-grained tracking algorithms. This Point Odyssey is built on the state-of-the-art persistent independent particles or PIPs, and researchers have evolved a new method which is being called as pips plus. Pips plus is a method that can look at 8 frames at once, making it more robust to issues like object hiding behind each other, as you can see in this diagram. Now, the problem which this research is trying to solve is that the current methods and data sets are not really adequate for fine-grained long-range tracking in videos. For instance, look at these example videos, or there is another one on their website, and I will share the link in video's description. Now, the researchers are stressing that long-range tracking is different from optical flow and is influenced by various real-world factors like camera movement and object interaction. Now, for humans, all of these tasks are simple, but not for the computer vision. So that is where this paper is trying to track the pixels over long periods in a video that is hard due to unpredictable yet model-able factors such as camera shake, object movements, and interaction between objects. Existing methods and data sets not really meet up in addressing these challenges which I just mentioned. That is where this paper shines. Now, they have also shared their code base, which is built on Blender 3.1 plus, and they have tested it on Blender 2. In order to run it, all you need to do is to create a Conda environment and then install the prerequisites and then open it in the OpenEXR. Now, you would need a good beefy system with good GPUs in order to run it, so make sure that you have it. You can also download the demo data from here, and then these are some of the examples which you can see on their GitHub repo. So you can see these fine-grained images from the long shot and how beautifully this research is tackling it. And the methodology which they are using is that their data set is diverse and it has been created using simulated assets like human shapes, animals, and different lighting conditions. And that is what makes a real difference. Also, they have used real world motion capture data to animate characters in 3D scenes, and various camera motions are also applied to mimic the real world setting. Fairly interesting, and I believe that this is going to go a long way when it comes to computer vision. I hope that you liked it. Please also consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.